Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this 9x12 process video project life page with you. I'm using the Purkey January release main kit called Birthday Wishes. So yeah, let's get into it. This page is from my 2017 album. It's from my 25th birthday, I think. We went to go out for karaoke and it was fun. So I'm just using these pictures. For the cards, I just chose some black and white, simple cards, nothing too busy, just because I feel like the pictures on this page just have really random colors and nothing really cohesive, so I didn't want to add more colors to make the page clash. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using a stamp from the stamp set that says, "Don't grow up, it's a trap." Because if you know me at all in real life, you know that I just don't like being an adult. Being an adult is kind of lame, so words to live by, or words I live by. So that's gonna go on that left-hand card, or left-sided card. So I used to be on the Purkey design team about 2 years ago, and then I just got really busy with the wedding and moving and all that, so I wasn't really as active in the scrapbooking community at all. So when I was on the team before, they didn't have these awesome label stickers included in the kits now, and I love these so much because they're stickers, you don't have to worry about cutting them out, and they're like a nice cardstock thickness. So I love labels, I'm obsessed with them, so I'm really excited to have those as part of the kit now. Now I'm just doing some journaling on that birthday card, just like some little tidbits and about what the night was like and all that. Yeah, as you can see, still very simple, nothing too crazy. I'm using this stamp that says, "So glad we could celebrate together," because it's a fun time. I remember it snowed that day. That's what I hate about having a winter birthday, because your plans can always just get destroyed by the weather. So it was nice that people still came out, even though the weather was crap and it was disgusting and cold and wet and icy. But yeah, winter birthdays are the worst. So I'm just going to throw that up on that group photo on the top left-hand side. So at one point I'm trying to decide if I want to use any kind of color on the back of that stamped piece that I did, but I ultimately decide against it just because I think there's too much color, too much clashing that would happen. I do end up trying to work with that orange bit, that orange label there, but I end up getting rid of that later on, which you'll see. So I'm doing some more stamping. I don't know which stamp this is. Oh, it's the one that says 1 year older, 1 year wiser. And I just use that in the corner of that card just because you have some white space there. And again, I didn't want to use too much color, so I thought that was a good way to add some embellishment without being too busy. And I'm going back in with another stamp from the stamp set that just says, "Oh hey, let's party," I think. And throwing that on one of the labels that come with the kit just to bring some of that light blue in, because I don't think it's too much for the page. Not too busy. I just don't want the page to be too overwhelmed with other colors and stuff like that. I just want everything that's not the photos to be very muted and simple. And at this point, I'm just going to start embellishing again, like I usually do. Little stars, wood pieces, just very simple embellishments just to tie the whole page together. My embellishments lately, like the smaller bits and pieces, I've been using the Tombow Mono Liquid Glue Aqua. I think that's what it's called, just because it has like the very precise adhesive tip at the top, and then the bottom has like a wider option, and it just dries really clear, which is nice. And then here I'm just removing the numbers from the label and just keeping the numbers so that it ties in nicely with that bottom blue label, and I think it looks a lot better that way. And now I'm just finishing off the page with my tiny attacher, just adding some staples here and there, and that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I used or did in this video. I'll leave the link to Kelly's shop in the description below, where you can shop this month's release. Lots of really great stuff there, lots of awesome stamp sets. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time.